Hello and welcome on my channel SafFix. I'm Saf and today I will try to guide you how to make stuff happen on the computer. Just follow me and everything should work fine. Okay, let's start. Click the message icon in the bottom right corner. Now search for a gear icon named Alt Settings. If you don't see one, it may be because your menu is collapsed, so just click expand and you will see. Now select ease of access, then mouse pointer, and there we can see a slider named change pointer size. Just slide it up and down, adjust it to your preferences. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.